very small mixing bowls. They look bigger in the picture. Oh, it is very lightweight. Very lightweight. Wow. Oh, there is a dent. There's a dent. Oh, it's cheaper than I thought. I knew it would be cheap. Please don't be dented. Oh, there are a lot of little dents. These are probably too small for the egg whites and the yolk. They'll spill over. Well, now I'm pissed off. You have really tiny eggs. Really tiny eggs. You know what? It doesn't always go to plan. These are too tiny. Does the lid fit on here? It does. We'll put some tiny eggs in. There should be a slit for the steam to come in. To be continued. Hey, there's one. Let's see if we can get it on there. Oh, 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 oh! Oh, come on! What good is Pam if it doesn't work? Ah! Oh, that's hot! Come on! Ha 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 ha! Let's get the other one. Oh, okay. Oh! It is hot. Oh, 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 oh! I want to pick it up with my hands. Oh, I got an idea. Look at that. Nope. Oh! Hey! Oh no! Hey! Oh! That's kind of funny. They're kind of funny looking. It's too early in the morning. Grits. Oh, the grits are nice. Are the eggs still a little raw in the middle? We need salt. Little pepper. Here we go. Moment of truth. Feels really solid. Let's try this one. Oh, they're overcooked. That's okay. Oh, there's a little yolk. So by the time the egg whites are cooked, you're cooking the yolk. Here we go. Overcooked. Hey, I've never cooked eggs in a cup poacher before. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I tell ya. Let's try the grits. Ah. Whew. freaking hot, man. Burn my mouth hot. I burned my mouth. All right, let's try again. Grits are good. Bacon. Bacon's good. Hey, thanks for joining me this New Year's Eve. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. We'll be back and talk about this cookware. I'm just saying. Happy New Year, everyone. Probably the worst purchase I've made in a long while. These are really cheap. I knew they were going to be cheap, but I didn't think they'd be this cheap. They're like kids' toys cheap. But you know what? I cooked in them. The copper is likely not going to last. There are a couple of reasons I bought these. Occasionally you see cheap copper-clad cookware sets on eBay. I think these are from the 70s. It's impossible to find out any information about Hamilton House. You might find some print ads. I'm not sure it's the same Hamilton House, but there are some print ads of like kids' toys and tools from Hamilton House, Cuscop, Connecticut. I searched and searched and searched for info on the company. I couldn't find anything. The sets that you see on eBay, the old cheap copper sets, have flat handles with hollowed out insides. These had solid handles. That intrigued me. Plus the welding here is reminiscent of Revereware, and I just didn't think they'd be so light. But you know, we cooked in them. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking, and it's New Year's. So there's absolutely no handle on here, nowhere to grab it. I didn't think of that when I saw the auction. And I didn't think that it would be so tiny. All of the handles have sharp edges on the plastic. Sharp edges here, except the knobs. The knobs are pretty good, and I have a couple of little dents in all of them. I'm going to make some pasta in this later when the wine really hits me. The bottom of the skillet really discolored, making the bacon. But that's not surprising. My beautiful 12-inch Ecoware discolors every time I use it on the stove. Medium heat, not high heat, medium heat. I hate that! I really like the mixing bowls. The mixing bowls are kind of solid. I hate the hour clock hands. There are markings under here, but the lids fit nice and tight. I can't complain about these. I will use these. There's not much more to say. Oh, one more thing. Oh, also, I really like the shape of these. They're not perfectly straight-sided. There's a slight taper, then you get the curve. It's a shame because I really like the shape of these. I have no idea how long these would last in daily use. And of course, the one quart is totally handle heavy. I think that's about it. We had some fun. I would have rather spent the money on something else. Serves me right because I pretty much knew what I was getting into. You know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching.